First, you go to your launch pad, then you go to Other and choose Bootcamp Assistant. So it's gonna bring you to the Bootcamp Assistant. Click Continue and make sure 2 options selected and then press Continue. This is the flash drive I plugged in. Click Continue. It will start downloading. Once the download complete, select only install Windows 7 or 8 and then start to customize how many gigabytes you want to install Windows on. Drag it to the left, to the right, as many as you want it. Click Install. Once you click Install, you have to wait for participating the disk. Type in your password and insert your disk. Mac will start install the window. See, make sure everything is complete and click Next. Click Install. It may take minutes or hours, depends on your Mac. So it will bring you to this screen for you to type in the product key. So type in, after you type it in, you have to click accept the license terms and click next. Don't choose the first one, the upgrade, because it's gonna bring you back to the first screen. Choose the custom. So here you have to choose the drive 0 partitions for Bootcamp. Don't click next yet, you have to click format. Click OK. After it's done, click next. So Windows will start do its process. It takes about 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And once it complete, it will restart the window by itself. Wait for finishing up. You don't have to do anything, you just wait for the window to do its job. Personalize, put your name your PC, whatever you wish, then click next. My internet already connected. I click next. I use express settings, but if you want to change anything, click customize. Sign in your Microsoft account if you have one. So we gotta go to the welcome screen. This is the welcome screen. Go to this PC and to the flash drive you install the Windows support on. Then try to find where to set up. So setup, click the setup and click yes. If you experience problems while installing this software, you have to go to the drivers and install one by one in each software. Some support, some don't support. So it's gonna be hard to click install one by one, but this is what you're supposed to do. Once everything installs on this window, this welcome screen is gonna look different from what it is right now. So I just want to install those that support it. So here they are. I want to see what drivers that I install in my Windows. So these are all of them that support the Windows 8.1 that I installed it. And see what in our Windows 8 give me. So this is everything down here. So I got my window as I wish for. So I can customize the desktop, make it bigger, larger. I can go to the store to see what it sells. So this is the store, Windows Store. So I can go back and see something else, some things on the news. Here it is, and enjoy reading. So I go to the top left corner to go back, switch back and forth. Or I can go to desktop to the bottom left. I can go to my computer from here. Just I want to make it bigger. Yeah, I can go to bottom, all our apps, go to desktop, refresh, and all set. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.